Hello there. I'm Gwendolyn Davis, certified life, health, and weight loss coach, passionate about eating vegetables. All right. How many of you are passionate about eating your vegetables? If not, why? Why not? Like a lot of the clients I talk to, they're like, yeah, I like vegetables and I know I should be eating them, but I'm not. Why? Why? Because processed food is easier and we're not thinking about that these can be easy too. So I'm here to show you that vegetables can be easy too. Now, I love them because I've been doing these for years and my body craves them. And I've learned, honestly, they don't have to be hard, right? It's just automatic now for me. We automatically have carrots and celery and snap peas and salad and all of these things in my house. I want them every day. It's feeding my body with the vitamins and minerals that my body craves. And it's helping me have the vitality where I am at each stage of my life as each year I get older, right? And so do you. So, what do you want for your future? Yeah, good health. I do. Yeah. So, I'm always thinking about what this is doing for my body and like processed food. I'm like, if I were to eat that again, I immediately notice that I do not feel good and what that's doing to me. So I promise that these are so powerful with helping you with your desire to be healthy and that investment in yourself to be your best at whatever age you are. All righty. And again, vegetables don't have to be hard. Okay. So salads, there's so many ways to make salads. Now, Eating Bird Food is a girl I found online, eatingbirdfood.com. Her name's Brittany Mullins. I just liked her recipes. And she has a Fuji apple salad recipe. And it's one of my all-time favorites. And I've gone back to planning, okay? All summer, I was on just automatic of just eating the same thing over and over. And I'm tired of that and I want to try new recipes. So because I want that result, I'm doing the work. I'm making myself plan on Sunday because it's less brain drama during the week. And I do so much better when I know ahead, what can I make this week? And believe me, I don't pick hard things. And I'm figuring out, wait, how can I make this easy? Because it's so worth it. So when Sunday night comes and my brain says, you don't want to plan. And I'm like, I know, but I want the results. So I'm going to plan. And so I've been making myself sit down because that's the time that works for me. I know once Monday hits, that week is full speed ahead and there's no time to plan meals. It just becomes, okay, what's quick and easiest? And it's the same old, because I do not eat fast food. All righty. So I am doing the work. This doesn't have to be hard. Your brain's trying to make it hard. Talk back. Don't listen to the excuses. Ask yourself questions, practice. What if it's not that hard? What if I just pick 3 recipes this week? What if I start writing down a few vegetables I can eat every day? Okay, that's how you do it. It's just little by little and it works. Yeah, especially when you've thought it ahead of time. Do not wait for the last second because then it will be more drama and harder. Okay, planning ahead makes it easy. So apple Fuji salad. I boiled 3 pieces of chicken last night and I'm finding that, wait, this is easy. Why did I not know this sooner? So I just boiled water, put in 3 pieces of chicken, 8 minutes later, they're done. There's not a mess. It's good. And I can use them for other recipes. So for the apple Fuji salad, the salad dressing, 5 ingredients. That's it. Easy. Easy. And I just put it all in my glass container. And then this is the best immersion blender ever. My husband found it. Well, he buys fancy stuff like this. It's BAMIX. And it is so powerful. It chops that garlic up in no time at all, immerses it, and voila, salad dressing in less than 5 minutes. Again, less than 5 ingredients. No, I lied, there's 6. Okay. So it's olive oil, white balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, just a tablespoon, 2 garlic cloves, salt and pepper. That's it. And this dressing is so good. And I can use it on other salads and use it all throughout the week. So here's the salad. Okay. I'm going to eat this tonight. So it's got the chicken on it, the lettuce, I like red onions, the tomatoes, the apples. It's got pumpkin seeds buried underneath that. Okay. So I'll put the salad dressing on tonight. Then with that already boiled chicken, I'm like, oh yeah, I could make a Waldorf salad. Okay. So I finally, like years ago, I like print out my recipes, put them in a notebook so I can finally remember where they are. So here's my favorite recipes. So this one, I made these at the same time because wow, I'm already chopping the chicken. I'm already chopping the onions. I'm already chopping an apple. And so I'm like, well, easy. The celery's right there, already washed. So then I just cut the celery that goes in here, grab some walnuts from my freezer that are already roasted, and voila, my salad's ready. I put lemon juice on it. So I will put the rest of the dressing on tomorrow. But the lemon juice keeps my apples from turning brown. Okay. So here's my meal for tomorrow, my meal for tonight. And I had this last night. And for lunch today, I made one of my favorite drinks, my smoothie. And then I had protein powder. This one was bone broth from Green Smoothie Girl and 22 grams of protein. I had a chocolate protein shake this morning with my snap peas. And I added Tri Omega Superfood, which is broccoli, chia, and flax from Green Smoothie Girl. Can't really taste it when it's mixed with my chocolate protein powder. And it's so good for me. Yeah, because I'm all about things that are so good for my body. So also for lunch, I had a couple pieces of celery and some carrots. Alrighty. And in this drink is 10 ounces of coconut water, 4 dates, has 2 tablespoons of beets, has a carrot, and like a 1/4 a cup of raw cashews, and then the frozen strawberries. So then it makes it ice cold and it feels so good. Okay, so here you have it. All this took not very much time. Last night, just boiling the chicken, whatever. That took, like I said, 8 minutes to cook, 10 minutes, I mean, maybe 20 minutes total. And for lunch on Friday, I'm going to be gone. And so I'm going to take my lunch with me. And I found a recipe for tuna fish with, it has white beans in it and like some kind of dressing, Dijon mustard and other things like that I like, olive oil. And so I'm looking forward to having my tuna salad on Friday and enjoying what I already have made. Yay. Okay. This feels good. It's easy. And this one, I didn't make a huge mess in the kitchen. Yay. So there's so many ways to enjoy eating food that is so good for our body, that gives us what we need for the energy, for the longevity of good health. So eating vegetables doesn't have to be hard, my friend. If you say you hate vegetables, why? Why are you choosing to believe that? There are so many ways to make vegetables, and there's so many ways to make them convenient. Actually, tonight when I have the salad, maybe I'll cook some of the broccoli because I steam it. It takes less than 5 minutes, and my dogs totally love it. And I have some that needs to be used. So why not? Yeah. Yeah. So fuel your body with the vitamins and minerals and cancer fighting stuff and all these good things that your body is really craving. It's not really craving the junk food. It's really craving nutrients. Where I found the recipes was eatingbirdfood.com. She has a lot of good recipes. So enjoy figuring things out and finding fun ways to eat your vegetables. So good. All righty, my friends, you got this. Bye.